Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can compare clips when you are doing color grading in the CapCut PC. So CapCut PC doesn't have a Windows or a comparison feature where you can compare the before and after. So this is how you are going to do it. So I'm going to show you the trick. So what you need to do is just duplicate the clip. So I'm going to just copy and paste in here in the same timeline. You can put it side by side like this, and then you can select the first one or the second one, that's up to you, and then just do your color grading. So in here I'm going to just go to the adjustment tab and do some color grading in here. I'm going to adjust the coloring for the first photo, and you can compare the result by doing this. You can just drag this playback. This is the one with your color grading, and this is the before. So this is before and this is after. You can compare this to just like this. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.